Hey everyone, been waiting for this day for a little while now. Got a brand new laser, ready to do an unboxing vid. Alright, let's get started.
Open up the tripod first. This is a freebie.
Yeah, he hunted for a coupon code and
it
paid off because we got a free tripod.
It's like
We're
a
just typing in the code.
Contractor grade
Best of the
tripod,
best.
so we don't know how good it'll be.
One sec, you got your knife?
Decent, why not?
Oh, it wasn't recording this whole time. I'm just kidding. Actually, that doesn't look too bad.
What's the brand?
Deer Pro? Never heard of it.
So this is a freebie coupon code. Actually, don't look too bad.
No, it actually looks pretty solid. Sweet.
This is what Tiger Supplies.
TigerSupply.com saves $900 on this from buying from a retailer.
What is the actual brand on this?
Looks like an Deer Pro, or I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but
Northwest.
Deer Pro.
Never have too many.
all right. Here's the exciting part. Who's gonna do the honors?
Made in China.
Oh, no wonder it was free. I'm just kidding.
End up going with dual slope.
Ooh.
Had to go the extra mile. Oh,
Anything else in here?
Some paperwork. Alright.
got ourselves a hard case to keep this unit protected.
Very nice case.
Tiger Supplies 2020 catalog. All kinds of goodies.
Alright, ready?
Let's see what's in here. Oh, there it is.
Clean.
Oh, wish it would stay like that forever. We're gonna take good care of this, but we are gonna put it to work.
RL-SV2S.
Dual slope laser. Hopefully this saves a little bit of time on the job sites from now on out.
We got the should be rechargeable batteries.
Rechargeable batteries. I
Give it the
wonder if the
receiver.
remote has rechargeable batteries. I'm guessing not.
It should.
Oh, looks like double A's. Well, we got some in the house. All right, we were actually doing a little bit of grade work out here today, so what better spot to test out a laser, see how it works. Check these grades, see if this operator's up to snuff.
Alright. Ready?
Do we have it rough leveled? I know it's an auto level, but isn't there a bubble to get it close or not?
Yeah, it's about to be close.
Oh, nice. And then is there another level bubble, I would assume, for the Y direction?
Well, that's like right.
Huh, maybe not. Just
What
has
did I
that
do here?
front bubble.
XY.
It's on, yeah, it just has to. So yeah, you gotta turn that on. I think you just push any button.
It's all Wi-Fi.
Let me see this one.
Needs to be on channel 1, yeah, maybe that, yeah, that needs powered on as well. What numbers it talking about? Millimeters, I wonder? That's the sound. And I wonder if you can change units. That's millimeter. I don't know. There's gotta be a way, maybe if I press and hold it.
That's up.
Just in millimeters. That's pretty cool.
Sweet.
And then from there, I believe, let's see, maybe. I believe you hit enter. Alright, I don't think we're connected yet.
Tells you up or down. Look at this. So if it reads once, you gotta go down.
Oh,
Go down.
Probably got to connect.
It's doing a channel search right now. Let's see what that yields us. It may not, but oh, there we go. I got it. We are live.
There we go. We're connected here.
All right, so what we can do, I believe, is hit enter. Or it's XY actually. Then we hit enter. We want to tilt it in the X.
That way you're not like
Then let's go over.
wrong side.
And then let's go like 3% would be cool. We'll hit enter. And you know what? Why don't we will
Showing up.
Oh, it's not spinning. Nick did something to it.
I'm setting angles right now. Sorry boys, give me one split sec.
Yeah, he's setting at 3%.
I'm gonna set it 3% in the X direction and 2% in the Y direction. Hitting enter now. She's just doing her thing. All right, we're back live. We got a 3% set in the X, a 2% in the Y. I think you're gonna have to be down. I couldn't even tell you where the laser's at yet. So we set a negative 3%.
Exactly 3% right there.
Beautiful. That makes work easy.
So much louder.
So does that.
Oh yeah.
You hear that from the top of the kid.
More to come.